up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. Today I'm about to go get this Mid Muffler delete, or well, try. Hopefully they take me. They don't do appointments. I mean, they do appointments, but they really don't. You can do a walk up. So I'm gonna go head over here, see if I can get this done. Hopefully this thing make a difference, man. I'm ready for it. Man, stock don't do no justice for me. I need that loud thing. But it's about 20 minutes away. It's gonna take me a little while. I don't know how traffic is on the other side. But, oh man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more content, man. I'm gonna be dropping it like probably not every day, but probably every other day, man. It's going down, I'm telling you. Y'all gotta get it, hey, get it out there. Get it out there to everybody, man. And I will get back with y'all ASAP. As soon as I get there. Put it like that. Alright, so I just went in. She said it's gonna take him a little while to get here. He ain't in work yet. But man, hey, today is the day. We on, baby. Oh, watch the trip now. Hey boy, I'm so excited. Hey man, it's going down. Man, I done done a couple things already, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I mean, they don't look that bad. That's all you can see right there. They don't look that bad. Rose vinyls in the cut, boy. Yes, sir. But hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all when they get it on. That thing about to come in the shop. Here you go. The Hell Kitty. All up in there. All up in there. Yes, sir. There she go.
Cut from here to here. Oh, I'll let you go ahead.
Oh, you good, you good.
We'll just cut that section out. I'll put a piece of pipe in there and weld it up solid.
Alright.
And it's already got here.
Oh. You think that'll do a difference?
Oh yeah, they make it just those up. That's the main thing that takes down the noise on these.
Oh yeah, good. Cause I know I deleted the resonators on my scat pack.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's good. So I just got the mufflers delete. That thing sounded mean. Can you hear it? Let me see, watch this. Ooh. You probably couldn't hear it because I'm in the car. But I try to do a video with the damn exhaust or whatnot. Man, that thing sounds so good, boy. When you turn that motherfucker on, I was like, oh, new car, who that? Damn. Oh, Mercedes wanna die. Come on up out here, bucko. Damn, that thing sounds so good. Oh my God. Look, I'm on the inside of the car, that thing sound good. I wonder what it sound like on the outside of the car. This shit crazy. The Scat Pack ain't sound nothing like this right here, boy. Look. This shit crazy. Oh my God. But alright, man, I'm gonna get back with you.